In this video, I'll show you how to insert and also how to replace your ink cartridges in your HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E. This printer takes the HP 936 series cartridges. I'll put links in the description if you're looking to buy some from Amazon. So you're going to open this top panel. Make sure that the printer is turned on, by the way, because the carriage with all the ink cartridges will be presented to you. Obviously, if it's the first time you insert these cartridges, you won't see any of them being pre-installed inside of the printer. To help us install the cartridges or replace the one that are already there, we need to lift this top lid. So you're going to stick your thumb over here and we're going to lift up this top panel. So in the future, if you want to replace your ink cartridges, you simply have to push on the one you want to replace. So let's say I want to replace this blue one, the cyan. I'll click on it and then I'll pull it out. And you just have to do the same thing with all of them that you wish to replace. Push, it unlocks them, and then you can remove them. To install your ink cartridges, as you see here, they each have their own specific spot: cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, that is with the letter K. So you just have to take it. You're going to notice in the front of the ink cartridge, there'll be two holes. And on the back, you should see the HP logo with a surface with a certain texture that looks like this one. Over here on the side, just to confirm, this is the black one. So it goes in the spot on the right side. Simply glide it. And then with one finger, you're going to push it until it clicks in place. You have to push a bit hard at the end so you feel that click. Just like that. Next one is the yellow one. I'm going to take it. Again, you should see the HP logo facing yourself. You should read HP and glide it and click it. Magenta. And finally the cyan. Here we go. And simply push. Bring down the top cover and close the one in the front.